Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Kman here with another reaction. And today, guys, today we're here. We're back in Trinidad. Trinidad. We're there. Trinidad people, I'm all now give me one Trinidad girl element, you know. I feel away. I feel away. I'll now give me one girl element, you know. I'm not saying nothing, let's go and hold it. You see it? I got 2G. Anyway, today we're there with Kman. Hope I get the pronunciation. Big word. I hope I get the pronunciation right. Kman 6, D&D Voss, and Tman with a song called Massacre. Massacre. Not the artist Massacre. As in Massacre. Everything dead. See? So we're gonna jump in the one and hear what the G say. You don't see the promotional video at the start, right? You don't see that video there, right? Alright, do the right and not the wrong. Alright? So let's jump in the one and hear where G them say. Kman 6, big up yourself. Let's go.
Yo, Toby.
And lift out your skin.
Toby, where?
And go for your body, boy. My friend, I'm making come chat to me now. I see me not lick a gunshot over his head. And show you something. Go suck your mother.
Yeah, we got Natty one done. Bumbuckler. We got Natty one done. You are international. Yeah. Blood clot to them. Natty one done. 3 mile done. Big up yourself a fam. Over this here, you know. Where there? Trinidad, you gone now, bro. Bumbuckler. Suck your mother. Go suck your mother, batty boy. I saw them man they talking now. Big up yourself. Let's go again.
Yo, Toby.
Toby boss, big up.
And go for your body, boy. My friend, I'm making come chat to me now. I see me not lick a gunshot over his head.
Lick a gunshot in I mean.
Show you something. Go suck your mother.
Alright. Look on the cover art. We like to look at cover art. We see somebody with them pullover over them head. Obviously we see the name them yes on the title of the song. But what is very interesting is the piano. The piano that which produces music, musical piano, is on fire. So when I say him set the music on fire. Is that what's happening here? Set the music on fire. Get it? Let's go. Let's see if we're right.
Rifle, fire and gun. When I drive by, pussy get run down. The men's be chat up, never random.
A rifle with fire and a handgun. Know that. Handgun always sleep on that pillar with a rifle we walk with. And I never drive by a run down, the pussy gets breathless. Yeah. Breathless. Not a time for not drive up and no, we are doing brawling, make everybody see.
Your mother.
Suck your mother, man.
Rifle, fire and gun. When I drive by, pussy get run down. The men's be chat up, never random. Could the fast like random. Love talk, we hype the nation. Try we and gone in a hibernation.
Trinidad, look up on yourself. Trinidad, look up on yourself.
Pussy get run down. The men's be chat up, never random. Could the fast like random. Love talk, we hype the nation. Try we and gone in a hibernation. Killer them, no rest them hype for take one. Dead and gone, we don't like the million. Every one of them need for that. They could the fast like sprinter. Everybody get wet, they could the call with sprinkler. Them
You could have fast like a sprinter. Everybody get wet, brother. Everybody get wet. Just call me sprinkler. Call me sprinkler. One time when I get wet, I'm not gonna get the dry off neither. You want to dry off or not dry off at 6'6". Are you alone in the dark room? No that.
every one of them need for that. They could the fast like sprinter. Everybody get wet, they could the call with sprinkler. Them they even bad like we index finger.
Them not bad like this a bumbuckler. See it ya? It a work. Chica, work it. Them not bad like my index finger, brother. Finger play. As that's my badness. Them they on the face to cuff. No. Me and Mike Tyson. No. Finger badness. Brawling. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing a special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me in my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for one video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video.
Everybody get wet, they could call we sprinkler. Them the even bad like we index finger. Jacob and his head top, we aim for.
Jacob at this, you know? Everything I raised out, you know? Where we aim for? Head top! Dome! Wig!
Them the even bad like we index finger. Jacob and his head top, we aim for. Go for them pussy left and remain back. Them a big rookie at top, we flame that left.
I'm a big rookie up top, me flame that. When you see me hold my head down, I'm trying to catch everything what the G them I say. If I miss anything, leave it in the comment section. Which I'm sure I will miss something. Leave it in the comment section, please.
Sprinkler, them the even bad like we index finger. Jacob and his head top, we aim for. Go for them pussy left and remain back. Them a big rookie at top, we flame that left hole in the body with the biggest chamber.
Left hole in the body with the biggest chamber. Left hole in the body with the biggest trailer. So, left hole in the body with the biggest chamber. So, you know what I say? Shot a fly right through you. Shot a fly through you. Doctor look and say, I walk past that. Then I walk past that. It's gruesome. But I like it.
I'm a big rookie at top, we flame that left hole in the body with the biggest chamber. In the city with the quadruple man, I really want to some possible. Me never you tell the veteran gun man, I'm a fucking learn nobody jump and burn up. Kill them sick, head boss and gone up. Yeah, them love shoot innocent. Yeah, that hype we up, forget rid of them.
All them pussy are gonna let them tough and we don't know them, nobody don't know them. All them do a go around and shoot innocent people. Them now war with nobody who actually want war. Them pussy, them soft. Like a baby's diaper. Soft.
Yeah, them love shoot innocent. Yeah, that hype we up, forget rid of them. But them afraid no fuck me man, chill again. You know we love to target big belly make them need for that. They could be fast like sprinter. Everybody get wet, they could call we sprinkler. Them the even bad like we index finger. Jacob and his head top, we aim for. Go for them pussy left and remain back. Them a big rookie at top, we flame that left hole in the body with the biggest chamber. That been on my mind all day, feeling some type of way. I've been getting high all day, steady trying to find my place. Days not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you laugh.
Tears not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you laugh. Cries not gonna make... So it seems like the artist, who is this? Is this the D&D boss? It seems like him not going down the gun lyrics route. Is that the case? Or am I speaking too soon? Let's try and listen.
Days not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you laugh. God are the only boss, 6 of me only thoughts.
God are the only boss, 6.
God are the only boss, 6 of me only thoughts.
God are the only boss, 6 are my only dogs. Let me tell you, say, 6 him rep fully, no 7s. That the boss I say. Boss I say where 7s are got. No.
God are the only boss, 6 of me only thoughts. 7 me and knock it down. Big butt.
How me know say 7 him attack. The man say 7 him and knock it pan. Yeah. 7 him and knock it pan and then not give them 7. The boss say. This is what I'm saying. Listen what I'm saying. I know me say it. The boss say, a 7s him and knock it pan. Yeah, a 7s him and knock it pan. When them meet them maker, them not got hell because them not bad. Them a go right to heaven beside a God. Yeah, because them a saint. I just them mouth them a use. Them not bad. Them not bad. I just them mouth them a use. Yeah. So them a go heaven because them a good youth. Good school them go. Good school them go. Yeah, them sit down. Even Sunday school them go. Them sit down at the front of the church. Yeah, them not bad. That's what the G said, not me. I'm joking. Never said that. Never said that.
I've been getting high all day, steady trying to find my place. Days not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you laugh. God are the only boss, 6 of me only thoughts. 7 me and knock it down. Big body thing, 1 broke it off. In your Kman, link with this game plan. Spread it on the detail, cause them boys feel them later. 6 in the morning, nigga.
Them boy think feel them lethal. Remember say a Plumpy Boss, he say lethal and Kman, they say no lethal. So you don't know.
Cause them boy feel them lethal. 6 in the morning, niggas yonder. Yeah. And then we kill about 3. How much time
6 in the morning when the pussy must get up and a yarn. Sleep like a young baby. Cause them say, yo, member say them asleep. Member say them not outside. Member say them not mash no crime. Member say them have to go in bed by 8 o'clock and wake up back by what? 6 o'clock. So as them wake, gunshot and beat them. Cheer them, ya kill. One time. Call it a triple. Call it a triplet. Boy dead.
niggas yonder. Yeah. And then we kill about 3. How much time it is the ups and them no answer back? How your body not real and full of tough chat?
How much time it is the ups and them no answer back? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Oh, my last count. Enough time with this them and them not answer back. Them not bad. Them not bad. Them bad-minded. Yeah. That's about the GSN.
How much time it is the ups and them no answer back? How your body not real and full of tough chat? Can't step to the dark cause them a big cat. If you reach on my base, you not leave that.
Yo! Them can't step to the dark cause them a meow. Big meow. Them a PUSSYs. Them are several pussies. Them scared. Yeah, them a cat.
Chat. Can't step to the dark cause them a big cat. If you reach on my base, you not leave that. Only rifle binds, best believe that. Couple on my card, reach a base dog. All a pint that a lodge in your head part. Click, shot a lodge in your head part.
I be headshot boss in my boss. The boss say, yo, if you reach from my ends, you not come off of that. You not get to it. Or you reach your sword, dead you go dead. Know that. I'm not finding as cheats.
Come fi kill me so I come fi take a little uppy. 32 in your face when my bossy fully. Broad day, I run them down and I'm a psycho bunny. Trip clock, boss hard when I catch a pussy.
Brawling, miggle them run you down and I'm a psycho bunny. Chip like a chip out. Whole item I get. I'm fierce. Dope ya go make.
Broad day, I run them down and I'm a psycho bunny. Trip clock, boss hard when I catch a pussy. Them just a talk bad, me show them on nobody. I know hill figure dog when my bossy tell me. And anyway we have to go.
I'm a ill figure dog when my bossy Tommy. Play upon word this, so Tommy ill figure. Tommy gun. Alright? And play upon word this, so the boss at bad. Simple but bad. Listen.
So talk bad, me show them on nobody. I know hill figure dog when my bossy tell me. And anyway we have to go because we never want me. Them have to stay in all them zone because them are no belly. Catch a pussy. Them just a talk bad, me show them on nobody. I know hill figure dog when my bossy tell me. And anyway we have to go because we never want me. Them
Anywhere we have to go because we never boom me. We good in the streets. We're not afraid like several pussies like them boy there. We can go anywhere. Yeah? That's what the G said. Not.
I know hill figure dog when my bossy tell me. And anyway we have to go because we never want me. Them have to stay in all them zone because them are no belly. Me make my link Kman, figo boss a jelly. And 89 love send boy a cemetery. Nico with the pan belly, figo boss many. Run up in the wrong track, it a go get bloody.
Humble class.
It's a 9 word.
Don't be big up yourself. Yo, the boss them not stop. The boss them fully oppressed. The boss them fully oppressed span the sevens and whoever else them are worried. I don't know all the things are going over there. So Kman 6 is still with us, obviously, after him tragic him friend meet a tragic death where him get gunshot and him friend end up dead. So you don't know. Condolences to the family of the friend. But the G still there put in the music. When you keep yourself safe, my fam. When you keep yourself safe and put out some quality music. You see me? Cause you don't know say the thing hot over there. So the thing hot over Trinidad. Trinidad G them. Only thing me I beg you know. It's a nice Trinidad girl boy. I did a nice Trinidad girl boy. I want to visit Trinidad, but if I visit Trinidad, me now go 6, me now go 7 boy. No. Where I go? I go on the beach. I go on the beach with the big tickers. Hey. What you talking about? Hey. Yeah. No, don't judge my Trinidad accent. Please remember to do the right when it comes to the promotional video that I've got going on, young artists. Link up for that. Big up on yourself. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. Big up on yourself. This time I'm gonna leave the one. If you enjoyed the one, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you. I will see you in the next one. Peace.